Students, next we discuss about speed, objective point, case 2. That is in average speed or mean speed. Case 2. What is case 2? Okay. In case 2, we can take different paths, that is A, B or 2 initial and final points, and it is also having different paths, and each lap cover with different velocities and different distances S1, S2, S3 and so on up to Sn. But it will be cover each lap with equal time interval, that is t, t, t and so on up to t time. Okay, so that is object cover equal timing with different velocity in different distance. Then what is the average speed or mean speed? Okay, so this mean speed is defined as same as it is total distance by total time taken. Okay, total distance by total time, then which is equal to total distance is S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus and so on plus Sn. Now by total time is t plus t plus t plus and so on plus t. Now we have to change this distance, velocity v equal to speed equal to distance by time, and distance s equal to velocity into time. Now this distance is s1 equal to velocity v1 into time same t. So now we have to write s1 equal to v1t, s2 equal to v2t, s3 equal to v3t plus and so on plus vnt by total time. This is total n times. This is total n times. So we have to write n into t. N into t. Now V average is equal to we have to write in this one t will be common. So t will be common. We will be write remaining terms v1 plus v2 plus v3 and so on plus vn. So we have to write t into v1 plus v2 plus v3 plus and so on plus vn by remaining time is total time is nt. Therefore t will get cancelled, t will get cancelled, and remaining v average value equal to v1 plus v2 plus v3 and so on plus vn by n. This is the v average formula. Okay, same as it is, we have to take two lap system. For example, we have to take two laps system A, B. Now this time is covered with two laps of velocity v1 and v2 and different distance s1, s2 in a same time t. So there are two lap system. So this object v average is equal to this one v1 formula. Only v1 plus v2 will be taken, and the time lapse system is number n equal to 2. So v1 plus v2 by 2. This is for average velocity or mean velocity. Okay, so this is the case 1 and case 2 of the average speed objective point.